Yeah, hi. Yeah, we have seen how to create a virtual machine, how to create a web app. Now today we are going to see how to create a SQL. Just right click on here and just select SQL database. You can also search from here like SQL database. So anywhere you want to go, just click on that, and we are going to see how to create a SQL database in Azure. Just click here, and again we have to follow some instruction, basic. Yeah, we have a select. We need to select a Azure subscription, whatever subscription you require. Currently I have a free. Just select on free. Resource group we have a select. You can select from here resource group and database, whatever the database you require. You can put the naming convention of the database like employee db. Just put employee db and server का zone where your zone server are there. So just select any one of the there, so they can create here. SQL elastic pool, select no, not required from. Workload environment development, currently we are using for development. Just select development, no need to worry about that. General purpose serverless, that is keep as it is, it keep as same, no need to worry about. Geo redundant, local redundant backup storage, local redundant backup, select local redundant backup storage, so no need to worry about that. And go on next, networking. Currently leave that networking is not required. Security not enable Microsoft security defender for SQL free trial not required. Backup no, nothing is here we have required. Go on tag, no any changes from here. Just go and review and create whatever you have selected. General purpose GS here max, just just click on create and wait for completion. It will take some time like 2 to 3 minutes to validate and deployment of SQL server. You can see here SQL server we are going to create. Initialization is in progress and wait for 2 to 3 minutes to deployment will completed. Meanwhile we are going to verify. General purpose servers gen 5 we have pricing pair. General purpose video auto post delay in 1 hour. Yeah, we are almost similar, so no need to worry about that. Yeah, once created, once SQL server is created, it look like a same here. So you need to go and check this is the SQL database. So you can, this is the SQL database on Azure. You can go and check query editor. Here is a query editor. Here you need to deployment. Yeah, our new SQL is ready. You can see here employee db I have a database name employee db I have created. Resource group is at whatever the currently status is, that is running. You have selected, we have selected location. Subscription is there, subscription ID, that is not a server name. SQL database connection string, whatever the connection is, this is a connection string when you are going to connect with a Visual Studio and .NET project. So these are the basic overview of the SQL database, and go one by one. That is a query editor setting. When you are compute stage connection string, that is connection string setting required, we will see next. Go on query editor, you need to log in with Azure SQL authentication. What are the SQL authentication? Wait. I think we have done some wrong things. Wait for some time. I think we did some. Yeah, main things SQL server name required. Server name is your database name. Database name equal to employee employee DB zone Pacific employee DB1. Okay, Pacific area, and use use SQL authentication. Use SQL authentication, that is important when you are going to create here. That is a server admin name, whatever the we are using, like employee as it we have put it, password whatever password you required. Password is required, like any. You can put like that. This is important. Click on OK. Yeah, click on OK. That is a server. Yes, server. You need to set up the server you have previously created. To just select one. If not, to just create a new one for that. So this is the process we forgot last time. Yeah, just to go on SQL Server, discard, and see this one not required. Just go and delete, and just have created for demo purpose, so we can see how to create a SQL database in Azure. I have a deleted SQL because they are cost effective. If multiple resource you are using, to just deduct your cost, nothing else to required. Just, yeah, this is a deleting. Just go an overview of the existing database. So important is query editor. Here you have to create a new table and a store procedure and anything want to want. I put the password and click on OK. So we can, I am facing some issue, cannot open the server. Is it prevent requested by the login client with? So I need to go and check some firewall. I have some issue. Go on overview, set firewall, go on firewall and check, save. Yeah, successful updated. Now go on query editor and now try. It is executing our data now. Yeah, this is the query editor. You can see table. I have created one table employee, so you can check, select strict from MPLO, run query. You can see I have created one two two row from here. You can see here. So you can insert, update, delete from query editor as well, and you can connect Azure SQL server in a database directly. I have a connected SQL server to real database from here. So how to connect Azure database in local SQL server? Just go and click on connect and put your pass server name. What server name we have inserted? Just go overview and server name. This server name just copy from here and go and paste here. SQL authentication required. So we have selected when we are going to create. So we have selected one authentication is SQL authentication. So SQL authentication we have selected, and after that we have use server name, username and password we have set. Just put here and click on connect. After that they connect and so here the real database from SQL to Azure or Azure to SQL. These are reflecting from SQL. If you have created a database in SQL server, they can reflect on Azure portal here, and this is vice versa where you want to create. And after that, if you are a newly connecting in a database, so first you need to register yourself, whatever the login user ID from Azure subscription. Just add first time they ask to you. If first time you have login, so you need to add in a firewall set here and privacy, and here you need to register your client IP for locally. So that's things you have to set here. So this is all about the SQL server. And also one main thing is here, go on overview and see, this is a connection string. Connection, where is the connection yes, sorry. Oh, wait for some time. Yeah, I'm talking about the database connection string. You can show database connection string here for ADO.NET connection string. When we are going to use .NET application, MVC application, WebAPI application, just you need to copy this connection string and put in their connection strings. I will show after that. This is all about the SQL server in Azure, and I have shown how to connect in a local database. And you can see here, like I have shown one thing. So if you are going to add any table from here, so they reflect. Yeah, I am talking about this login, your subscriptions. I am talking about these things. You can just copy from here and go on firewall. Currently I'm have some login issue. Just add anyone, like this one is using. Just copy here from here and I'm just copying from here and put here, and for this one is also copy and put here. Click OK. This is in progress. Yeah, connect. Oh, what the things require. Okay, I will add from here to here. IP address from and to. Yeah, just add, click OK and save. Click successful. Now we can add. Yeah, now we can add. Now we can try to execute. I have added edit row from here. You can insert with query as well, so no need to worry about that, how you prefer, but currently I'm yeah, I'm adding new record equal to Tom email tom@gmail.com, phone number 12345 is, yeah, that is we have us selected. Click on execute. Yeah, I have added one new record. Go here and overview and yeah, SQL database, whatever we have, go on query editor and we can see one table is reflecting here. Yeah, this is a login again. It will start taking some time to login. Yeah, now you can go here in employee, select a strict form employee, run. You can see 3 record is there, whatever the we have created added here, we can see here, we reflected here. So this is all about the SQL server on Azure, and we have connected in local SQL server. Yeah, that's it for today, and